Hi everyone, welcome to this unboxing video. I'm very excited to be showing you the new WRAPCure Certified. Yeah, so let's get going. So packaging looks good, no damages, shipping, arrived pretty quickly, pretty on time. Let's get into it. Okay, go ahead and take this off. It's like I'm taking off the iPhone case, That's pretty cool. Packed in very tightly, very nice packaging, good foam. There's a lot of foam on the sides, so it's definitely not moving during shipping. Let's see, let me take this off. Nice. Here we have, what do we have here? So we see some papers here. Let's just go ahead and open it up. Attention, you have acquired the industry's only DLP curing station, which provides full traceability. In this packet, you will find forms documenting the measured values of wavelength and irradiance from each UV light source used to manufacture this specific WRAPCure certified unit. Please keep these forms for your records. These forms will be especially useful if you are an ISO 9000 certified organization. So this is a certification of inspection, and what it tells me is that the wavelength and the irradiance values, basically the power of the UV lamps that come with the WRAP certified, have been verified by the manufacturer during assembly and installation. And this provides a lot of value for people who are working in highly regulated industries, such as medical, military, or ISO 9000, because this gives you the ability to self-audit your machines at the end of every single year. So when you need to calibrate your machines, when you need to verify that your machines are still in spec, the certification of the WRAPCure Certified allows you to do that, and it ensures that the quality of your parts and the repeatability of your processes are maintained year after year. So that is an amazing value that is added by the WRAPCure Certified, and I think it's an excellent solution. What else we got in here? A user guide and a spec list. Cool. And oh, cool. So the last page basically gives me a certified cure time guide for all the materials for the WRAPCure. All right, so just right out the box, the WRAP Certified looks amazing. It looks very clean, presentable. Great job on the people who shipped this out. So over here we have the irradiance and wavelength values of the UV lights that were documented during inspection. So this is really beneficial for us because whenever I need to do a self-audit, I can always just look to the back of the machine to reference and understand what the values of the UV lights should be. And on this side, we have a QR code for the user guide so that you can access it whenever you need it. All right, so continuing with the unboxing. Up here, we have one of our vats. So this is the low viscosity vat, and we have our medium and high viscosity vats in a separate shipping container. So basically for this one, you want to use the same level of viscosity vat for different resins. For example, if you have a low viscosity vat, you want to use a low viscosity resin that goes with it. And on the other hand, if you have a high viscosity resin, you then therefore want to use a high viscosity vat. If you don't use the correct vat for the correct resin, you do risk damaging the vat and your machine won't print properly. So also here, if we open it up, we have yourselves a cleaning tool to keep your vats clean and make sure that they're always able to keep the resin flowing and printing properly. Let's take a look at what's inside. So let's go ahead and open the door. All right, so we have here what seems to be power cables for the machine. So this is the roll that the WRAP machine prints on. Awesome, so let's go ahead and take this out. So let's switch it up to WRAPCure. Go ahead, take this out. To show you how easy it is to just install this, all you need to do is align the screws in, and you're done. And over here, you open this up, and there is the pin connector. Awesome. And also on the side of the cure table, you have this QR code that basically says scan for recommended cure times. So if you do take out your phone, go ahead and scan it, and it takes you directly to the Onulis page for recommended cure times. Thank you so much for watching our unboxing video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit our website.